Hi, I'm Peter from Coffee Parts, and today we're looking at Timemore Nano Travel Pack. Perfect for you or that gift for that coffee lover. So this kit comes ready to go with everything minus the water, coffee and a cup. So what does it come with? You got your 3 coffee canisters. Now these little canisters, apart from being super fun to fidget with, are there to take your coffee with you on the go. You got the Nano coffee grinder, perfect little grinder to just take with you and grind that fresh coffee. You got the proprietary design dripper by Timemore, the filter papers and brush to go with the dripper, and the all-important gooseneck kettle. With this, you're ready to go. Like I said before, all you need is water, the beans that you would have taken with you, and a portable cup. Now with the kit, it comes ready to go. You got the 3 little canisters, which apart from being really awesome to fidget and play with, are there to carry your beans. So you got 3 sets of beans and your grinder. With the grinder, the arm is foldable, so it takes up very little room, and the knob comes off quite easily, magnetized. Inside, you got it's a fully metal aluminium construction with a stainless shaft and 38mm conical blades. Inside, you now pour in the coffee that you brought into your grinder, lock your handle in, and grind. To dial in the grinder, it's quite simple. You could come in here and bring it all the way to the finest setting and then bring it backwards. There's 12 notches in the dial plate, and once you bring it back, generally for filter coffee, you're looking around notch 16. So if you just bring it back 16 times, you're gonna be roughly at a great starting point. Once you ground, you've got your coffee into the little container. Now, one thing to note, these grinders do stand up by themselves without the canister in them. What you will need is your favorite portable cup to sit under it. You got your filter paper. You want to wet that paper, let it run through to the cup. Then you want to add your coffee in, chuck out the water in the cup, and then you want to pour in and do your brew. After that, you're ready to drink. Simple. Can be done anywhere, from the beach to the caravan, even the office. Actually really nice coffee. And there you go. That's a Timemore Nano pack. Really convenient, and a couple of things I know I've mentioned. The bag is just beautiful. And they just make great little fidgeting tools. Completely off topic, I know, but I just wanted to cover it again. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this kit for either you or that special coffee lover.